Hello Mudkip recruits, my name is Ben, and today I'm going to show you how to find the Unremarkable Teacup and the Masterpiece Teacup for your Poltchageist in Pokemon Scarlet Violet, the Teal Mask. You can even find it early before you head into the community center. So let me show you how to find the Masterpiece Teacup first. It is found in the Timeless Woods, located right here. It will have a sleepy Snorlax guarding the entrance. That's where you need to fight it and get in to take your Masterpiece Teacup. Now, it actually depends on what kind of Poltchageist that you have, because most certainly it won't evolve just by giving it a Masterpiece Teacup. It may need a different kind of teacup, known as the Unremarkable Teacup, which I will show you how to find now. You must travel to Paradise Barrens, where you will find this signboard that you will encounter in the story. Around here, you have to find a small cave with no Pokemon guarding it. That's where you will find an Unremarkable Teacup. Now, I just showed you two different items to evolve Poltchageist into Sinistcha. By the way, you can also obtain more of these teacups as a reward from the ogre busting game located in Kitakami Hall. I hope this tutorial helped you, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you all later.